Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can put a space in your display name on Roblox. First up, open your browser and then go to your Roblox account. Now from here, you just need to click on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right-hand corner of your screen. And then click on the settings. Now from here, as you can see my display name, I have already input my space on my display name. So how we can add the space on the display name? Basically, what I did here is I just changed the account location. So from Philippines, I change it into United States. So you can do that too. So once you change it to United States and then go back to display name, and you can definitely add a space on your display name, but you can just change it once and you can change it again after 7 days. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.